Okay, we have a question here from Jonathan. And Jonathan says, I work with veterans at the VA. Can black pepper essential oil help vets with nicotine and tobacco cravings? Yes. Okay, so I know you're going to ask how on that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually show you a really nice hand acupressure massage that you can do with essential oils. So one thing is, black pepper essential oil, yeah, it's focusing. It's like, it's spicy, and that spiciness, it grabs your attention. And so you smell the black pepper essential oil and it's like, focus. But hopefully that focuses on something else. It can take your mind away from the distraction of, wanting to smoke, and bring it back into something else. So just smelling it, yes, you can do that. Take a bottle, put a drop on a cotton ball, something like that, or just have the bottle and smell it. And you can add the hand massage to that. You can do one or the other. So let's take a look at this. We're going to make up a little essential oil blend for our hands, and I have just a plain carrier oil here in a little bowl. I'm going to put just enough carrier oil in to make a small amount. If this is something that you're going to do often, you could make this into a 1 ounce blend. Okay, I had mentioned that there are a number of essential oils that you can use. I'm going to use white sage, and white sage opens the lungs. Any oil that opens the lungs would be a good choice. So you've got the eucalyptus family. It would be really easy to choose from. Another one that I like a lot is called Nootka, Nootka, and it's just a really cool Canadian tree. Ginger lily is another one. Ginger lily dilates the blood vessels. It goes to the heart. And something with the heart, the lungs, is where I would think about. Marjoram is another one that you could use for stop smoking. So white sage, I'm just going to put a couple drops in here. It's a pretty strong oil that's being shy right now. Okay, so 3 or 4 drops in there, and I'm going to just very lightly mix that up, and I want to use just enough here that I can rub it into my hands really nice. Now one thing is, as I'm doing this, I am smelling it. I don't have to try and smell it, I am smelling it. Okay, what you want to do is take, and we're going to massage our left hand. We're going to do it on this side because that's the side that our heart is on. And our heart and lungs are a team that work together. So I'm going to move this out of the way here. And first I'm going to start by just massaging the oil into my left hand. I want to really make sure that I get the palm quite a bit. So take your thumb, really work nicely into your whole palm, go all around that area in a circular motion. And you want to do this for up to about 30 seconds. I'm going to do it a little bit faster rate right now, but on your own, take your time with this. Really get your palm stimulated. Then we're going to take and we're going to stroke down the pinky side of the hand. Take your hand and just really pull down. And this is our heart meridian, is right along this line here. And I'm going to take that right into the wrist here. We're going to do that at least 10 or so times, but you can do this for a little while. It feels really nice. And once we do it here for quite a bit, we're just going to take and do that a little bit with all of the other fingers, and just on the finger part here. All right, going back into the hand now, we're going to take and stimulate an acupoint that is pericardium 8, Lao Gong. And where you find this point, the easiest way to find it is if you cup your hand like you were going to pour water or something into your hand and hold it, the bottom of the well where the water would pool, right in that spot is going to be pericardium 8. It's not quite in the middle. And what you want to do there is just stimulate 24 to 50 times. So each circle is a count. And pericardium is the protector of the heart. So the protector of the heart, you know, that's going to go in the heart center, the lungs, the chest, and that's really an area that we're working with when we're dealing with quitting smoking. After I do this for a bit, then we're going to take and just really nicely bend the fingers back and open up that point. You might feel energy, imagine energy or light coming out while you do that. Just really nice, stretch that open, let that energy flow out. And then we're going to find the next point. Take and turn the hand over, and we're going to find the next acupoint, which is large intestine 4. And if I squeeze my thumb in here, where the mountain is right here along the second finger bone, if I press right into that, I'm on large intestine 4. So I'm going to actually take right there and open the hand up a little bit and take and squeeze that point here some. And I'm holding it on the bottom with this finger, and then I'm going to press my thumb down into the top, and I'm only going to move my thumb. And it should be quite a strong sensation. If you have to move around a little bit to find it, do that. You want to take again and circle in here, anywhere from, again, 24 to 50 times. This point right here has a lot to do with letting go of things that are toxic in our life. And if smoking is a toxic habit in your life, this is an awesome point to work with essential oils. So again, 24 to 50 times. And at this point, while you're doing this, you may actually very likely feel the urge to smoke dissipating, going down. It's not, that craving's not as strong. It doesn't have that hold on you anymore. It's getting easier and easier to forget about and think about doing something else and just let it go. And once you're done there, you can take and just rub that out a little bit. Massage the hand again. And right here, just reassess where you're at. If you can easily and calmly, happily walk away and not want a cigarette, great. Just do that. Do something else fun. And if you're sitting there thinking, really thinking about it, really craving it still, and you feel like I've still got that pull going on, repeat the same thing on the opposite hand. And at that point, hopefully you're good to go.